Everyone, welcome back. Today is Sunday. I wish you guys are having a great Sunday wherever you are. As you can see, I am wearing a specific jersey. You can see, let's go Viva Mexico, let's go Mexico. And yeah, pretty much Asian American, living in TJ. Now you can say I'm Mexican by association. But either way, we are here in Centro, near the heart of Tijuana, and we are having a get together and also be able to just hang out and watch the game. And we also are making some Asian food, so some authentic Taiwanese food and Vietnamese food just for everyone to try. Take a look. So we pretty much rented out the space in the building. It's the Landmark Plaza. We rented out the recreation area, and this is where we're all just hanging back and going to just try some food. So let's take a look at what we got. Show you guys real quick. Looks like Jay's already helping himself. What's up? What's up? Say hello to you too. Hey, all right, good stuff. Say hello, guys. Alan. Hello. All right. So what do we got here, Jay? Looks like you're already digging in already. You got some spring roll?
So we have a spring roll making station.
Okay.
Right here. Got the protein, the veggies. Then we also have dumplings over here.
Got it. So we got to make those dumplings.
3 different fillings and then this. Yeah, we're teaching the locals here how to make some.
Right on. Cool stuff. Yeah, and we even got some Qingdao beer. So you guys can see the Chinese beer. We also have some Taiwanese beer as well. So everything's in the works. Here's a nice big kitchen counter. And yeah, we got the beef noodles coming, the Taiwanese beef noodle right over here. Everything is smelling really, really good. But either way, who do you guys have? Do you guys have Mexico or do you have Inglaterra? Because we want to know, right? Like, this is in the England's they're champions in the past, right? They already have won the World Cup in the past. So this is Mexico's first time, and it's a really big deal. If I were to step outside these streets right here, we're near Agua Caliente. If we were to go outside, the street and outside is literally everyone's wearing their jerseys. It's complete chaos. And if Mexico does win, I assure you, all the streets will be packed. I mean, they might even be flipping cars over. That's how crazy it gets over here because they take football very, very seriously. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes. But England is the favorite. They have, and Mexico have a real big challenge, a big hurdle up ahead. But if they could do it, if they could pull a hat trick out of nowhere and win, it'll be absolutely fantastic. And I know from living here for a couple years already, 3+ years. Literally, you'll hear every time Mexico scores a goal, you'll hear people screaming outside, just cheering and going very excited. So it's a very exciting time right now for everyone. And actually, I'm also fortunate and grateful to be able to live here, share this culture with close friends, and just really be able to kick back on a Sunday and enjoy it, right? And just kind of represent the place that I'm living in, right? Invest in your city, represent the city, and yeah, it's awesome. So I'm excited, and I'm gonna come back a little bit more once the game starts, because I know the game is gonna be starting soon. All right, so I'm gonna pause it here and we'll jump right back. Looks like we're having a dumpling wrapping session. So sharing with our Mexican family how to make dumplings, and we have our instructor Jay over here showing them how to do it. Professional. So we're making homemade dumplings, and then we also got some Vietnamese spring rolls. I think we ate most of it. Really good, really clean, healthy food. And yeah, we got more people coming in back there.